Hey everybody, you know I love sharing inspiring stories, and today I have a great one for you. It's about a woman who turned a simple idea into a multi-million-dollar empire. It's about a woman named Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Her story is a testament to perseverance and innovation. You know Spanx, right? Those amazing undergarments that make everyone look and feel fantastic. They've revolutionized the way we think about shapewear. But Sara's journey to success is as incredible as her invention. It's a tale of grit, determination, and a little bit of serendipity.
Before Sara became the queen of shapewear, she was selling fax machines door to door in Florida. It was a tough job, requiring a lot of persistence and resilience. Can you imagine? She was good at it, but she hated it. The daily grind was exhausting and she felt unfulfilled. She knew she was meant for something more. Deep down, she had a burning desire to create something impactful.
One hot Florida evening, I was getting ready for a party. I wanted to look my best and wear my favorite white pants. But I had a problem pantyhose lines. They were ruining the sleek look I was going for. You know the ones I'm talking about. They're the worst. They can make even the best outfit look awkward. I tried everything to get rid of those pesky lines. I experimented with different types of undergarments, but nothing seemed to work. Cutting the feet off my pantyhose seemed like the best solution. It was a bold move, but I was desperate. And guess what? It worked. I felt comfortable and confident, and that's when the idea for Spanx was born.
Image, Sara Blakely smiling and posing confidently. Sara took that simple idea and turned it into a revolutionary product. Her journey from selling fax machines to creating Spanx is truly inspiring. That's when the idea for Spanx hit her. It was a moment of pure inspiration, a spark that would ignite a revolution in women's fashion. Sara realized that women everywhere needed a better option for undergarments. Traditional options were uncomfortable, unflattering, and simply not good enough. She wanted to create something that would smooth everything out, stay in place, and make women feel confident and comfortable. Her vision was clear, a product that combined functionality with elegance. Sara knew she was onto something big. She could see the potential impact her idea could have on women's lives. She spent her life savings, about $5,000, on research and development. It was a huge risk, but she believed in her idea wholeheartedly. She even wrote her own patent, using a textbook she bought at Barnes & Noble. Talk about resourceful. Sara was determined to protect her innovative idea. But Sara faced a lot of rejection early on. It was a tough journey filled with obstacles and naysayers. Men's hosiery mills, who she approached to manufacture her product, didn't take her seriously. They couldn't see the potential in her vision. They didn't understand her vision. But Sara was undeterred. She knew that with persistence and passion, she could turn her dream into reality. Sara didn't give up. She kept refining her design. She even dyed the fabric in her own bathtub to get the color just right. She believed in her product and her vision, and she wasn't going to let anyone tell her no.
Finally, after weeks of searching, Sara found a mill in North Carolina that was willing to take a chance on her. I actually loved her idea. I have daughters of my own and understood the need for a product like Spanx.
Image, a woman wearing Spanx under a fitted dress, looking happy and confident. Section 4. A meeting that changed everything. With her product finally ready, Sara needed to get it in front of the right people. She flew to Dallas to meet with buyers from Neiman Marcus, a luxury department store. Talk about a nerve-wracking experience.
But Sara's passion and enthusiasm were contagious. She demonstrated Spanx right there in the Neiman Marcus bathroom, convincing me that this was a product women would love.
And guess what? Neiman Marcus placed an order. It was a huge turning point for Sara and Spanx. Section 5. Oprah's Magic Touch Spanx becomes a sensation. But the best was yet to come. In 2000, just 2 years after starting her company, Sara got the call that would change everything.
It was Oprah Winfrey's team, and we wanted to feature Spanx on Oprah's Favorite Things episode. Can you imagine?
Oprah, one of the most influential women in the world, loved Spanx. The impact was incredible. Sales skyrocketed and Spanx became a household name. Section 6, Beyond Shapewear, a legacy of innovation. This section delves into the remarkable journey of Spanx and its founder, Sara Blakely. Since then, Sara has continued to grow Spanx into a billion-dollar empire, revolutionizing the shapewear industry and setting new standards in business innovation.
She's expanded the product line to include everything from bras and leggings to swimwear, and even men's underwear. This diversification has allowed Spanx to reach a broader audience and meet various customer needs. But more importantly, Sara has become a role model for women entrepreneurs everywhere. Her story is a testament to the power of determination and vision.
She took a simple idea, worked incredibly hard, and built an amazing company from scratch. Her journey from a small startup to a global brand is truly inspiring. Sara's story teaches us that with passion, perseverance, and a little bit of ingenuity, anything is possible. Her innovative approach and relentless drive have paved the way for countless others.
So go out there and make your dreams a reality. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step and a bold idea. You never know, you might just invent the next Spanx. The world is full of opportunities waiting to be seized by those who dare to dream big.